Fix in 5. P0431. Warm up catalyst system efficiency below threshold. Bank 2 exhaust gas. High severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. Pull over and deal with this. The light isn't bluffing. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, MIL. Illuminated, possible increased exhaust emissions. Vehicle may operate normally with no noticeable drivability issues. Potential fuel economy reduction. Now the most likely causes. Faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 2. Catalytic converter degradation or failure. Exhaust system leak upstream of converter. Engine control module. ECM malfunction. Wiring issues in temperature sensor circuit. What does it cost? Roughly €35.95 doing it yourself, or €155 to €15 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How to fix it? Replace faulty exhaust gas temperature sensor bank 2. Repair exhaust system leaks. Replace catalytic converter if degraded. Clear diagnostic trouble code and perform drive cycle test. The scanner and part side use are linked below. How common is it? Reported on 492 models. People also ask, how much does it cost to fix P0431? Repairing P0431 typically ranges from €150 to €800 plus depending on the root cause, labor rates in your region, and whether OEM or aftermarket parts are used. Professional diagnosis is strongly recommended. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0431. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.